Most traders think the market moves by breaking support and resistance, but the reality is that the market hits stops first, collects liquidity, then starts the main move. If you know how to spot these traps, you can enter exactly where everyone else is losing. Like the video and subscribe to see more soon. Look, what's the biggest problem with 1-minute scalping? Fake breakouts. Price breaks resistance, you go long, 2 candles later it comes back and hits your stop. Why does this happen? Because it wasn't a real breakout. It was just a liquidity grab. What exactly is a liquidity grab? Very quickly and simply, the market goes above a clear ceiling or below a clear floor, triggers retail stops, raises liquidity, then reverses in the main direction. That breakout is actually a trap. Now, why is EMA 21 important? Here we add EMA 21 to filter the direction. The rule is simple. If the price is below EMA 21, we only look for sells after liquidity grab. If the price is above EMA 21, we only look for buys after liquidity grab. EMA 21 tells us what the short-term momentum of the market is. This prevents us from going against the flow. Before we get to the entries, I wanted to say that each area has a different volume, with confirmation, support, and resistance, meaning we should enter in some areas with confirmation so as not to lose too much. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Strict entry rules. Liquidity grab plus EMA 21. Look, here we come to the professional part. If you execute this part correctly, you will be different from 80% of scalpers. The first rule is that we never enter on the initial breakout. If the price breaks a clear ceiling with power, we do not get excited at all. In fact, we have to be more skeptical there than happy. Because in our strategy, the initial breakout is usually the bait. Step 1. Identify a clear level. You should have a clear ceiling or floor that has been touched at least 2 or 3 times. A level that everyone sees. The clearer it is, the more liquidity has accumulated above it. Step 2. Breakout and quick reversal. When the price breaks the level, we do not enter immediately. We wait to see if the next candlestick returns to the previous range or not. If the price quickly rebounds and does not close above the level, in the ceiling scenario, this is the first sign of a liquidity grab. Step 3. Position relative to EMA 21. This is where our filter comes in. If after the rebound the price is below EMA 21, we only look for sells. If above EMA 21, we only buy. The EMA 21 helps us not to enter against short-term momentum. This is what many people ignore. Step 4. Confirmation candle. We do not enter without a confirmation candle. Look for one of the following. Strong engulfing pin bar with long shadow full body candle in the direction of the reversal. We enter after the candle closes, not in the middle. Stop and target. The stop is placed just behind the liquidity zone, not too far away. The risk to reward should be at least 1 to 1.5. If it is less, we do not trade at all. The golden rule is, if one of these 4 conditions is not met, we do not enter. Successful scalping means being selective, not trading too much. Rules for entering. Sell identify a clear ceiling that has been touched several times. The price breaks the ceiling and quickly returns below the level. Fake breakout. The price is below the EMA 21. A bearish confirmation candle such as an engulfing or pin bar gives. Enter after the confirmation candle closes. Stop above the liquidity ceiling. Target at least 1 to 1.5 common mistake. Many only see the level breakdown and enter. We wait for the fake breakdown to be complete and the price to return. The difference between professionals and amateurs is this 30-second wait, a more complete example of strategy implementation. Suppose you are on the EURUSD chart with a 1-minute time frame. The price has reacted to a certain ceiling several times and created a clear resistance. This level is visible to everyone. That means there are a lot of stops and stops. Now a strong candle comes and breaks that ceiling. Impulsive traders quickly enter the buy because they think a breakout has happened. But we wait. The next candle starts to reverse. A long upper shadow forms, and finally the price closes below the same resistance level again. Here we have the first sign of a liquidity grab. Now we look at the EMA 21. The price is below the EMA 21, and even the reversal candle closed below the EMA. This means short-term downward momentum. We wait for a confirmation candle. A bearish engulfing candle forms that completely covers the body of the previous candle. Here we enter the sell. We place the stop a little above the highest point where liquidity was taken. We set the target at the closest demand area, or at least 1 to 2 risk to reward. A few candles later, the market starts to fall. That initial breakout was just to collect stops. Our difference from the others is that we didn't enter on excitement. We waited for the market to do its job, then moved with the smart money. Why does this strategy work? Because we're not looking for failure. We're looking for fake failure. We're not looking for excitement. We're looking for liquidity. And EMA 21 helps us not to make mistakes. This combination is simple but very powerful. Liquidity. Grab with Fibonacci combination. To make the entries more accurate and professional, we can also use Fibonacci after liquidity grab. The method is simple. After the fake failure occurred and the price reversed, identify the main wave of the move and draw Fibo from the beginning of the wave to the end. Now, if the price pullbacks to important levels like 0.5 or 0.618 and is below or above the 21 EMA at the same time, that could be a more accurate entry point. That means we have 3 confirmations. Checkmark liquidity taken checkmark direction aligned with EMA 21 checkmark, pullback to the golden Fibo zone. This combination will make your entry more accurate and allow you to have a smaller stop, thus improving your risk to reward. Trade less, but with stronger confirmations. If you want me to make the next episode about BOS and its combination with this strategy, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss it. On this channel, we are going to scalp professionally, not by chance.